Am I going to jail?
Stand on one foot, count slowly.
1, 2, 3. All right, just walk the line.
Okay, I can do this. I think.
Sir, I don't think I can do this.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Jess. You want to know how I got here? Good morning. Today is day 2 in the US. I am traveling alone. And now I am very hungry. Let's eat donuts. They are very popular in America.
Good morning. What would you like?
Hi, I want a donut.
I want the blue one. Coming right up. Just one donut? Or do you want 6? Or 12?
12? What is 12? Oh.
12 donuts is 1 dozen. 6 donuts is half a dozen.
Oh, I see. How much is 1 dozen?
1 dozen is $11.99. 1 donut is $1.25.
Okay. All right, thank you. If I buy 12, can I choose different flavors?
Yes, of course. You can choose many flavors.
Good. I like many colors. I want different flavors.
Okay. What flavors do you want?
2 chocolate, please. Two pink. Black. Two with sugar on top.
You mean glazed donuts?
Yes, the shiny ones. And one of each other flavor. Right away. Yay! Great, here you are. Enjoy your donuts.
Just the right amount. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Wow. 12 donuts. That is a lot of food. Ha ha! I am joking. But I still want a big steak tonight. I need to call the restaurant to book a table.
Sure.
Yes, table for 1, please. Perfect. Thank you. Hello, Golden Steakhouse. How can I help you? Hi, I want to book a table. For 1 person. At 7 tonight. Let me check. 1 moment, please. Follow me, your table is ready. Sorry, 7 is full tonight. Do you want another time? Oh. 7 is the only time. Is there any table at 7? Let me check again. Oh, we have 1 table at 6:45. Is that okay? Yes. 6:45 is good. Ivar Haas? Great. What is your name? How do you spell that? My name is Maya. M-A-Y-A. Thank you. Your table is booked for 6:45. Thank you very much. See you later. See you tonight. It is still morning. The restaurant is in the city center. I want to go there early. The city center has many shops. Maybe I can buy some new shoes. I will call an Uber now.
We're here, Maya.
Oh, thank goodness.
Hi, this is Mike. I am your driver. I am 2 minutes away.
Hi, Mike. This is Maya. I am at the hotel door. I see it now. I'm coming in. Oh, sorry. I am not at the door. I am on the street corner.
Okay. Are you near a streetlight?
The wrecks are going.
All right, I'll be there soon.
Yes, I'm standing next to the streetlight, on the right. You can see me. I'm wearing a brown coat. I have one suitcase. Is there space in your car?
I'm sorry, I cannot take your suitcase. The car is full. Yes. There is space.
Good. Is the road busy?
I am by?
No, I am here now.
Oh, thank goodness.
Great! Let's go! Hi.
Hi.
Oh.
Hello. How can I help you?
I like these shoes. Do you have other colors?
No, sorry. We only have this color.
Okay. Can I try these in size 8?
Size 8? Here you go.
Thanks so much. You got it. Enjoy the shoes.
How do they feel?
They are a little big. Do you have size 7.5?
Let me check. Here is size 7.5.
Thank you. Oh, these are perfect. Can I also see those shoes over there?
Sure. Which color?
The white ones, please. In size 7.5.
Okay. Okay. Wait a moment, please.
I like both pairs. I will take these.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome to our loyalty program. Can I have your phone number?
Sure. It is 615.
And your name?
Maya. M-A-Y-A.
Thank you. The total is $220. You can use Apple Pay here.
Okay. Done. Done.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. The city center is very busy. I like this place. Now it is 6:45. Time for dinner. The Golden Steakhouse is right over there. Let's go. Hi. Welcome. Do you want some food first? Sorry. What is that? Sha Pao. It is a small dish. You eat it before your big meal. Oh, I see. I want the bread with tomato. The toasted bread with tomato? Yes, that one. Good. Today we have steak with garlic sauce. Do you want that? Yeah. Yes. That sounds good. Not too red, not too dry. Okay, medium. Do you want soup or salad? Tomato soup. Anything to drink? Water, please. Do you want dessert later? No. I am full already. Okay. Your food will come soon. That was a great meal. Now I am driving my rental car back to the hotel. Wait. What are those lights? Oh no, not again!
Hello? Do you know why I stopped you?
I don't, officer. No, officer. Is something wrong?
Your car moved left and right. Did you drink alcohol tonight?
No, sir. I did not drink. The road is not smooth. Maybe that is why. Okay.
Okay. Please show me your ID. Please get out of the car.
Oh, okay.
I will check if you are okay to drive.
First, say the ABC. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Good. Now, look at my pen. Do not move your head. Only move your eyes. Good. Now, walk in a straight line. Take 9 steps. Count your steps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. Now, stand on 1 foot. Count slowly.
Okay. 1, 2.
Okay. Everything is fine. You can drive. Drive safely.
Thank you, officer. Everything is okay. I am a safe driver. Now I am back at the hotel. It is very late. I just want to open my door and sleep. Wait, where is my card? Good evening. How can I help you? I'm checking in. Checking in? Okay, let me find your reservation. Hello, I have a problem. My key card is in my room. Don't worry, we can help you with that. Just a moment. Oh. You cannot open your door? Yes. The card is inside. I am outside. Very bad. It's okay. What is your room number? Wait, I forget. Maybe 618 or 681. That's okay. May I see your ID? Oh, thank you. Here it is.
Welcome to the Empire, ma'am. Do you have a reservation? Yes, of course. Here's my ID. Thank you. Everything checks out. Here's your key. Great. Thanks so much. Good night.
Thank you, Miss Maya. You are in room 618. I will make a new card. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You saved me. I almost sleep in the hallway. Like a sad cat. Yaha. Yeah. Here is your new card. Thank you. The old card in the room? Is it still okay? No. It will not work now. Have a good day. Thank you. You too. Now I have my new key. Traveling alone is not easy. But it is fun. Today was a long day. I am very tired. Time to sleep. Good night. See you on day 3.